Hello and welcome to this Digital Factory presentation in which we're going to take a look at how easy it is to send your jobs to the Visual Production Manager using an array of software applications and methods. Now, jobs can be sent to VPM from practically any design software. It's also possible to simply drag and drop your files directly onto the queue, and this can be done with a huge range of file formats including EPS, JPEG and PDF. Now, Digital Factory also has a unique separate user interface called the Preflight Toolbox. This contains a range of tools for making size and layout adjustments, as well as adding text and contour cut paths to your images. Once you have finished editing images, they can be sent on to VPM for output. So take a look at the job on screen. From here, I want to send to VPM. I simply go to the File menu and then select this option. If I have more than one queue set up, I can choose which one to produce the job with and then forward it on to VPM. Now, if we take a look to the queue, you can see the job has arrived and it could then be spooled and outputted to my chosen device. Okay, so what about using any of the popular design applications available, Photoshop, Freehand or Illustrator? Digital Factory allows you to send jobs straight from your design software with no fuss. Take a look at the job I have on screen in CorelDRAW. To send this to print on my large format device, I would simply go to the File menu, select Print, and then choose directly from any of my production queues. And again, here the job is sent straight to VPM. We can see it here in my chosen queue. So that's two simple ways we can send jobs once we have finished editing. But what if a customer sends us a file that is completely ready to send? Why waste time opening the file in a design application first? With Digital Factory, we can simply drag and drop our images straight onto the VPM interface. This can be done with all the leading graphic file formats, including PDF. Now, as a file is dragged onto VPM, a dialog window appears that displays key information about the file, such as the dimensions and resolution. At this point, it's also possible to make any size adjustments that may be required. When I click OK, the image is placed in my production queue. Even with the job now in VPM, we can still make adjustments such as cropping, tiling, or even create multiple copies, all using this simple interface, and all without having to open the file in a design application first. You can find more details on the editing and layout features such as cropping and tiling in a separate presentation, so why not take a look at them and see what else you can learn about this great new package. Now, whatever your preferred workflow and whichever is your design software of choice, Digital Factory offers a solution to suit.